Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jantek Industries product showroom. My name is Kelan, and today we're going to be taking a look at the casement window. So we're going to break down this window into three parts. First, we're going to talk about Window's functionality, then we're going to talk about its hardware and features, and then we'll talk about some options that you as the homeowner can add to your Jantek casement window. One of the features of our casement window here at Jantek Industries is our multi-point locking system. So I wanted to demonstrate that for you guys. So first, we'll take off the screen to give you guys a better view. Set this down. Now, the window is going to be unlocked again to lock. You just bring that one lever down, bring that one lever up, that is unlocked. So now we'll open up the window, and again, that lock controls all 3 points. All right, so from this angle, I'm going to open up the window entirely. So I like to demonstrate the locking system. So again, the one lever down here to my left opens up, locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. And that will hit on all 3 points of the sash. Now our locking system will lock the window in 3 different spots, one here, here, and here. Let's jump around to the other side of the window and take a look. Here are 3 keepers for all the locks on the entire sash. Now, once that lock is engaged, the movement of the one lever will activate all 3 locks for the casement window. It'll open up here, here, and here, linking the sash to the frame at all 3 points. But you can bring it back down again, and then it's unlocked for usage. We're gonna close in on that lift assist, and now you know the window's fully locked and closed in here against all the bulb seals. Your handle will fold in, and the window is then locked and will not open. All right, let's take a look at the NFRC performance ratings for our casement window. So we'll start with the double pane. Again, this window comes in either double pane or triple pane glass. First, you have your U factor, 0.28, solar heat gain coefficient, 0.23, visible transmittance, 0.41, and condensation resistance, 60. And if we look up to the triple pane, or R5, you have U factor of 0.20, solar heat gain coefficient, 0.19, visible transmittance, 0.33, condensation resistance, 74. Now, for more information on what the NFRC sticker numbers actually mean, you can always go to jantekwindows.com for more information. All right, everyone, that'll do it for me. Thanks so much for watching our presentation on the Jantek Industries casement window. For more information on the casement window, please go to our website, jantekwindows.com, or always feel free to come into the showroom and speak with us in person. My name is Kelan, and always remember to save energy and capture comfort. Take care.